Have you ever wondered why, despite all your efforts, abundance and prosperity still feel so elusive? You might meditate regularly, say your affirmations faithfully, and even practice gratitude, but something still feels blocked. Here's something you may never have considered. The energy within your home might be directly blocking your prosperity. Our homes are energetic reflections of ourselves. They are extensions of our minds and hearts, shaped by our habits, beliefs, and daily behaviors. And whether we realize it or not, the objects we keep at home have powerful, energetic influences on our lives, especially on our financial well being. Today, inspired by ancient wisdom and practical teachings from respected spiritual teachers like Sadhguru, I'm sharing 5 common items in your home that you should remove immediately if you genuinely want to attract wealth and prosperity. Removing these items isn't just about physical decluttering, it's about clearing energetic blocks, aligning your space, and signaling to the universe that you're ready for true abundance. Let's dive straight into it. First, remove broken or damaged items immediately. We all tend to hold on to things that are broken or damaged, thinking we'll fix them someday, or that we might need them eventually. Maybe it's a broken appliance, a chipped mug, a damaged piece of furniture, or even clothing that needs repairs. But here's why this matters energetically. Damaged and broken items symbolize stagnation and blocked energy. Sadhguru often explains that everything in your environment is a subtle representation of your inner world. Holding on to broken items subconsciously signals a belief in lack, limitation, or stagnation. Exactly the opposite of abundance. Think about it. If you surround yourself with things that aren't functional or that remind you of incompleteness, how can you expect the universe to deliver abundance and prosperity? Instead, clear these items out immediately. Repair them fully or let them go entirely. By doing this, you'll create space and invite new, prosperous energy into your life. Second, remove items from past negative relationships. This might be old photographs, gifts from former partners, letters, or sentimental items that carry emotional weight from difficult experiences. While it may seem harmless or nostalgic, these objects hold emotional and energetic residue. Sadhguru emphasizes the power of energetic attachments, explaining that negative memories from past relationships create subtle energy drains. Every time you see or handle these items, your subconscious mind gets pulled back into past emotional conflicts or trauma. Prosperity requires a free, forward-moving energy. Holding onto negative emotional baggage keeps you energetically stuck, preventing the flow of abundance. Take a conscious moment to release these items. Express gratitude for the lessons, then lovingly and firmly remove them from your space. You'll instantly feel lighter, and your energetic vibration will naturally rise, attracting prosperity with ease. Third, remove clutter and piles of unused items. Clutter is perhaps the most significant and underestimated block to abundance. Clutter represents stuck energy. When your home is filled with unnecessary, unused items, energy cannot circulate freely. This stagnation directly reflects in your finances, creativity, and overall well-being. Have you ever noticed how difficult it is to focus or feel abundant in a messy or cluttered environment? Sadhguru often says, clarity of space equals clarity of mind, and clarity of mind is crucial for prosperity. Begin decluttering today, room by room. Donate, sell, or recycle things you no longer use. As you clear your space physically, you also clear energetic pathways, allowing abundance to flow into your life freely. Fourth, remove dead or dying plants and flowers. Plants symbolize life, growth, and prosperity. Healthy, vibrant plants enhance your home's energetic field and attract abundance. Conversely, dead or dying plants symbolize neglect, decay, and lack. When you keep dead or withering plants in your home, you unintentionally invite stagnant and negative energies. Sadhguru teaches that living plants are life-giving. They uplift our energy and support prosperity. However, neglected or dying plants reflect neglect or stagnation in your personal energy. Carefully check your home. Dispose of any dying plants respectfully. Thank them for their presence and replace them with healthy, thriving ones. You'll immediately notice a brighter atmosphere and enhanced vitality, mirroring abundance back into your life. Fifth, remove negative imagery or art. We often underestimate the power of visual imagery in our home environment. Images evoke subconscious reactions and emotions, influencing our mental state and energy. Artworks, pictures, or even decorative items depicting loneliness, struggle, sadness, or conflict subtly embed negative energies into your space. These negative visuals subconsciously reinforce limiting beliefs about wealth, relationships, or happiness. Sadhguru often highlights the importance of conscious imagery. He encourages surrounding yourself with visuals that inspire abundance, joy, harmony, and positive energy. Take an intentional walk through your home and remove any art or imagery that carries negative or heavy emotions. Replace these visuals with positive, uplifting images that genuinely resonate with the abundant, prosperous life you desire. Now, let's briefly discuss how to energetically enhance your space once these 5 things are removed. Remember, abundance is about energetic alignment, not just material accumulation. Your home should reflect clarity, openness, and positive energy flow. As you remove these blocking items, consciously add elements that enhance your abundance energy. Consider introducing symbols of prosperity like fresh, healthy plants, water elements such as a small fountain, crystals known for attracting abundance like citrine or pyrite, and images or artworks that inspire feelings of wealth, joy, and gratitude. Make your home a visual affirmation of your desired abundant life. Every time you step into your space, your subconscious mind receives the message, abundance lives here. Also, regularly practice gratitude in your newly energized environment. Gratitude multiplies your prosperity energy exponentially. Every morning or evening, take a few moments to consciously express gratitude for your clear, abundant home. Visualize abundance flowing into every corner of your life. This simple practice anchors you energetically in abundance and attracts even more prosperity. Understand this clearly. Abundance isn't just about money. True abundance encompasses health, happiness, harmony, relationships, and creative fulfillment. As you remove energetic blocks in your home, you'll see abundance naturally expand in all these areas, including financial prosperity. Today, You have the opportunity to radically shift your energy by simply removing these 5 common, seemingly harmless items from your home. It might feel challenging or emotional, but remember, you're clearing space not just physically, but energetically and emotionally as well. Sadhguru emphasizes life responds to your energy, not your words. By removing these blocks, you energetically declare to the universe that you're ready to receive the abundance you deserve. So don't hesitate, take action today. Remove broken items, past negative relationship objects, clutter, dying plants, and negative imagery. Then welcome vibrant, positive elements that align with abundance and prosperity. Make your home the powerful magnet for abundance it is meant to be. Because the moment you clear away these energetic blocks, you'll begin to see just how quickly prosperity, wealth, and abundance flow naturally and effortlessly into your life. Namaste.